Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a hanging indent in Google Docs, perfect for citation or bibliography. And first step is to open your docs and simply open your document in it. Then first step is to simply open the ruler if it is hidden. As you can see here is the hidden. As you can see here is the ruler option. As you can see here is the ruler option. Now to open this, you need to simply go at the view option and apply the option show ruler. After it is visible, simply select the or highlight the text which you want to indent. Suppose I want to hang this indent, and simply drag the blue arrow here, and as you can see your indent will be now hang it. Now as you can see, you got a clean hanging indent. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe and drop a comment on what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.